the same, you're already familiar with how to use this because it's all mirrored exactly on OBS with the addition of a handful of things. In addition to that, you know, you have your hotkeys and all that. So if you wanted to set up some type of external controller, you could, or I have another video about this remote control option. I'll actually put a link to it at the top of the screen right now that you should go check out, because basically this remote control option that's integrated with Streamlabs OBS, you don't have to have an external switcher anymore. You don't have to spend the money on that. You can just do it right from your phone, which is absolutely incredible. So what I mean by a switcher is, instead of you having to actually click on this stuff, you can just trigger it from your phone. But I'll put a link to it at the top of the screen, like I mentioned, and down in the description. So make sure that you watch that video as well. And it gives you the walkthrough on how to actually set that up so that you can pair it with your Streamlabs OBS to really make the whole thing awesome for you and your viewers. Now, in addition to them having the studio mode now, here's some things that OBS doesn't offer. Right? Me, I have a graphic design background, so I have the ability to create stuff that looks, you know, kind of cool for my streams. Most people don't. And because of that, if you click on this themes button up here, what you're going to see is an entire catalog of all of these different layouts and all these different scenes that you can use to make your live streams look awesome. And it doesn't matter if you're doing gaming videos, it doesn't matter if you're doing professional style videos or whatever, like having the stream starting soon option by itself is fantastic. So while you're getting all your tech ready, you can use that. Having the be right back option is also fantastic. So that in the event that you have to step away from the computer for a second or something like that, it still has you covered. One thing that I want to show you here is if you look at the animations, right? If you were to create something like this yourself, you'd have to go find the video files, you'd have to put the text together, you'd have to get the whole look together, build the whole brand around, you know, everything that you're creating. And with the themes that they offer, all this stuff is done for you. All you have to do is click whatever it is that you want and click the style that you want, and then bam, you have like a professional looking live stream setup. Now, if you're not a gamer and this gaming background, you know, isn't something that you want, not a big deal. You can change this to your display. You can change this to something like, let's say that you do webinars and you do live trainings on YouTube or anything like that, or any other type of live stream, reaction videos, anything, then you can change this background to video files, to presentations, to whatever it is that you want to change it to. Now, here's something else that's really cool. Let's say that I click on this dashboard tab. If you are a channel, if you have a channel that you are under the 4,000 hours of watch time and the 1,000 subscriber milestones that allows you to monetize your channel when you're live streaming, through Streamlabs OBS, you're able to do that inside of Streamlabs OBS to where you can take PayPal or credit card from your viewers directly. So this is also a way that you can actually make money from live streaming on YouTube or Twitch or anywhere else that you happen to live stream where you can integrate this. And it's super easy. All you have to do is you go into your donation section, and then you take this link, and then you add this to your descriptions, and then anybody that clicks on this will be taken to a page where they can give you a donation. So if you have not installed Streamlabs OBS yet because they didn't have this studio mode feature, now they have it. And now it's a complete package in terms of if you're an OBS user but you want your computer to run smoother, you need to install Streamlabs right now. If you are somebody that wants to take your live streams as far as how they look up a level in terms of all of the different themes and things like that they have, you need to install Streamlabs right now. Because just like OBS, they have all the different scene stuff that you can do, and then they have all of these additional things. Let me show you one of these widgets in action, actually. I'm going to go to my sources here, and I'm going to click on a new source, and here I'm going to add the alert box, okay? So I have the alert box added to this particular scene, and I'm just going to hit add existing source. And what you're going to see up here is you're going to see basically where the alert would be. And you can also see, like, if you move this stuff around, you can see that, you know, they give you the dimensions where you can center things up real easy, and you can move them around to where you can scale the stuff around, you know, as much as you want to, really. But here's what I want to show you is here, down here in the bottom, I can click on test widgets, and you just click on the subscriber. And then you're going to see here, it's going to pop up, and then it's going to show you exactly where it's going to be. So in this case, if you added this to your streams, even if you had a live stream to where you're just showing just this and nothing else, but you have this gives the people that are subscribing to your channel while you're streaming a chance to be highlighted, and it brings it to your attention so you can actually give them a shout out, welcome them to the stream, welcome them to your channel, and all that. So all the way around, Streamlabs OBS is absolutely just phenomenal, and I highly recommend that you install it right now. I'll put a link down in the description for that. And remember also, I'll have that link down in the description to go check out the video that I did on the Streamlabs remote as well. You're really gonna love that. And if you want to learn more about growing your channel, making videos, and all types of other YouTube related stuff, start now by hitting the round subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Hoi, ik ben Marij van Enter My Attic. Ik ben in Amsterdam in het Karwijhuis en ik ga zo een kamer inrichten met het stijlstatement pink. Zo, eerst even naar de bouwmarkt om wat leuke spullen bij elkaar te verzamelen. We zijn nu in de Karwei en we gaan nu even lekker shoppen. Ik vind het echt een super tof wandkleed en de kleuren passen helemaal in mijn stijltje, dus ja, die ga ik onthouden. Oh, deze vind ik echt heel leuk. Gek op velvet. Superleuk. Uitproberen. Heerlijk. Lekker. Zit
which you add a image scene, click done, and you are ready to go. But obviously there's nothing there. It's a blank screen. So you need to go up here and add sources. So under the sources panel, same way as if you're adding a scene, click the addition symbol here under sources, and you're going to see a few different things. All of these are fairly self-explanatory: image, browser source, image slideshow, all of this good stuff. We're going to add a display capture, which you guys pretty well know what a display capture is. We're going to go ahead and add that source now. And then once you've chosen your monitor, like I did, you're going to see here the YouTube channel that I have here. This is my monitor. You can see my mouse moving now. So that's kind of what we're going to be recording. Let's go ahead and add a